Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the multiple vacancies from the DRDO 2021, and to get the regular notifications here I started one Telegram group channel, and I've kept that link in the description box of this video, so you may join in that group guys to get the regular notifications to your Telegram group. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account guys, and I provided this link in the description box of this video, so please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the interview for award of junior research fellowships from NTSL DRDO. So you can check down. The type of fellowship is a JRF and the subject discipline mechanical engineering, and electrical and electronics engineering, computer science and engineering. So here the total 10 number of fellowships are there, and the educational qualification is a graduate degree in professional course, that is BE or BTech in first division with a valid NET or a GATE score, or else the post graduation in the professional course. And coming to the same eligibility for the electrical and electronics as well as the computer science. So valid NET or GATE score is essential for the BE or BTech candidates, and for the PG candidates it is not mandatory. And here the upper age limit is at 28 years. Okay, the candidates who are working in the public sector have to get the no objection certificate. And how to apply means interested candidates should download the and fill the application form in the prescribed format. Okay, so you will obtain that one from the What's New section of the official website. The duly filled in and signed application along with the under mentioned document should be sent by post to the director NSTL Vigyan Nagar Visakhapatnam to reach the office on or before the closing date. Okay, so here the whatever the copies you have to put in that one that is mentioned, self-attested copies of mark sheets and the birth certificate and the self-attested copy of NET or GATE certificate and the passport size photographs. Okay, all these things are kept, and the shortlisted candidates will be directly called for the interview, so there is no exam for this one. Okay, so for your reference purpose I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. The closing date of receipt of application is 15th January 2021. Okay, so it is a one notification. And coming to the second notification is from the DRDO. Fellowships are available initially for a period of 2 years at a monthly of 31,000 per month for the JRF, and house rent allowance is also available. So you can check down the JRF positions for the agriculture science, microbiology, biotechnology and chemistry. And coming to the essential qualification, post graduation or else MSc in the particular departments with NET qualification. Okay, so for all the things. And for the biotechnology, if you are having the ME or MTech in the first division in both graduate and postgraduate, then the NET qualification is not required. Fine. And coming to the upper age limit is at 28 years, and you have to apply by 31st December 2020. Fine. And application in specified pro forma along with the scanned copies of required certificates will be received through email to director@diber.drdo.in, and interview will be held through the web-based video conference over internet. Okay, and the interview date will be communicated separately via emails or the SMS. Fine. So it is a thing you have to apply for this one. So this PDF link also I will provide in the description box of this video. You may check down. And coming to the third advertisement is from Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. So here also the JRF as well as the SRF are there, and the number of posts are 3 posts are there here. So for JRF, master's degree in the physics or electronic science or applied physics or optics or photonics or equivalent first class with the UGC or CSIR NET or the GATE qualification, and here the upper age limit plus the monthly stipend is also mentioned, and the tenure temporary and or for a period of 36 months, and co-terminus with term of project whichever is earlier. Okay, so it is the notification, and the last date for applying this one is also 31st December 2020. Okay, and here you can check down that science, looking young science or engineering graduates for a post of JRF or SRF. Okay, it is one notification. I mean, how to apply is that a brief biodata duly signed and application form, scanned in PDF, proof of date of birth and final year previous year mark sheets may be sent on the email ID of the principal investigator with a subject titled application for JRF or SRF on or before 31st December 2020. Okay. So for your reference, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And here, if you are having any doubts or regarding this application, you may contact to this mobile number. Okay, here the contact number is also given. And at the end, you can observe the application form also. And coming to the another advertisement. So this advertisement is mentioned as the 21 days from the date of advertisement. So as per the website, as per the DRDO website, that the 1st January 2021 is the last date for this one. So the interested candidates may apply, and here the JRF in mechanical engineering and the JRF in aeronautical or aerospace engineering. Okay, and so both these two departments, the stipend is 31,000 rupees per month and age limit is at 28 years. Of course, some relaxation will be available. And the application procedure, eligible candidates may send their duly completed applications as per the enclosed format, which can be downloaded from the DRDO official website. Duly filled in application form must be sent to the Director Defense Research and Development Laboratory, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Missile Complex, Hyderabad. And the last date is 31st December 2020. Okay. So these are the notifications, guys, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So there is no application fee. Okay, and few notifications are you have to simply send the mail, and few notifications are you have to send the necessary documents to the mentioned address. Okay, so these are the multiple vacancies from the DRDO. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1. that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here, by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you, that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.